Video 4: How to build smarter free zones beyond the welcome kit. Why first impressions matter more than licenses. Most free zones offer the same first interaction: a welcome email, a license document, a standard handbook, maybe an optional list of partners, and then silence. It's a missed opportunity, because first impressions aren't about information. They're about experience. In a competitive world where startups, SMEs, and global businesses can choose anywhere to set up, the free zones that build loyalty from day one are the ones that turn onboarding into an unforgettable experience. Why traditional free zone onboarding fails: information overload. Too many forms, not enough clarity. No emotional connection. Clients feel like a number, not a valued investment. Poor activation. No real support post-license, no traction events, no early wins. No differentiation. Every free zone looks and feels the same after setup. And that's exactly where smarter free zones have the advantage. What smarter free zones are building instead at 360 Disruption? We believe the best free zones design experience-driven onboarding journeys, offering first 30-day success playbooks. Here's exactly how to activate your business, get your first client, and unlock value inside the zone. Dedicated welcome managers, a human touchpoint assigned to each client for the first critical weeks. VIP launch event workshops, open houses, soft networking designed to integrate newcomers into a thriving ecosystem. Early success metrics support beyond licensing. Help informing bank accounts, finding their first employees, securing their first projects. Branded client journeys, tangible milestones, not just invisible services, celebrated and tracked. First impressions create long-term investors. When clients feel seen, supported, and successful early, they stay longer. They bring others. They build stronger ventures. They contribute more value back into the free zone ecosystem. Free zones aren't selling office space anymore. They're selling ecosystem citizenship. And citizenship starts with belonging. Final thought: in tomorrow's economy, free zones that win hearts first will win markets next. Not just welcome kits. Welcome journeys. The smartest free zones aren't licensing companies. They're launching communities. This was video 4 of our Free Zone Thought Leadership series. How to build smarter free zones. Want to stay in the loop? Please subscribe on our website, 360disruption.com, or when you wish to discuss or need input for your free zone, send an email to co@360disruption.com.